Okay, today we are going to introduce 3 different types Fidget Cubes from JDB Star. Now we are beginning. This is the Model 1 and the Model 2 and the Model 3. Now we are going to check the difference of these 3 products. Firstly, the whole appearance. Model 1 springs rubber oil. And Model 2 and 3 appearance are very smooth and very good tactility. Secondly, the click side. Model 1 and Model 2 will 5 press these buttons that click audibly. And Model 3 is rubber button. 3 buttons click audibly and 2 buttons are silent, just for avoiding to make noise. Thirdly, the grind side. Model 1 and 2 look small, and Model 1 grind mildly, and 2 is better. Neither of these 2 could not pull out. And the 3 looks bigger, both grind and pull out freely. Fourthly, the flip side, the Model 1. This is the Model 2. And the Model 3, as realize the switching button. Fifthly, the braeside. Model 1 with shallow groove, 2 and 3 with deep grooves. The Model 3 touch better. Sixthly, the braeside. The gear and ball are running good, but the ball could not click. Model 2, the ball rolls good, but could not click either. The gear with a little bit noise. And Model 3, the ball can click and roll, and the gears roll quietly. Seventh, the spin side. Model 1 spins slowly, and the 2 spins fast. And the Model 3 springs fastest. Okay, that's all the difference. Thanks for watching.